In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create PIN on Facebook Messenger to protect your end-to-end encrypted conversations. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Messenger. Then tap right here at 3 lines. Tap at Gear to head over to Settings. Then tap at Privacy and Safety, and that's where we can easily find end-to-end encrypted chats. Once we get into it, at the very top we can find Secure Storage, and that's where we can turn on Secure Storage that allows you to remotely back up your end-to-end encrypted chats, and if you lose your device, your chat history is safe. And also you can restore your chats when you switch to another device. To continue, tap at Turn on Secure Storage. And then we need to create a PIN to be able to get access to our chat history. We can create a 6-digit PIN. We can continue with iCloud Drive here, and also we can get a 40-character code. I prefer to use that way, so I'm gonna keep create 6-digit PIN selected and then tap at Continue. On the next step, we need to enter 6-digit PIN. Then we need to re-enter it. And basically, guys, that's how we can easily create a PIN on Facebook Messenger. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.